The most successful drone light show platform in the world. We created the space where you, as an operator, as an independent business, can run your own drone show business. And we said, hey, why don't we make this available to people who want to start their own business? You're probably familiar with some of the names we work with that we're behind, like Pixis Drones, Sky Elements, Celestial in the UK, and it goes on and on. So, again, we're pushing 50,000 of these things deployed globally. This platform has more Guinness World Records than any other drone in the world. We have two, but our partners combined, I think there's 16 Guinness World Records, and there's going to be more. The EFO-P, or the EFO Pyro module, this is a modular design. So one of the things, even though we launched in 2019, what you see here is very different than what people order and fly now. We take a modular approach. Other companies, they'll have one model and it fails, and then oh, here's a new one. Now you got to buy the new one. Our approach is different. So the technology inside is very different. Like, this is the Pyro module. We're the first company in the United States to make fireworks legal on drones. There's also a Guinness World Record for that. The most launched ever on a drone. We have 100% success firing rate. Now, we also operate in other areas. We do defense. We do things like this true swarm autonomy. What we're showing here, we unveiled at ICRA and Exponential, is what we call XI. We're very excited about XI. XI is our autonomous, our navigation system, and it's based on quad camera. So it's what we call VSLAM. So SLAM, as you know, is like simultaneous for robots and drones to know where they are, what they're doing. Well, we have, 15 patents on this. This technology is the highest resolution. It has 250 by 250 degree field of view. No one's achieved this level. Our CTO, he's one of the most famous SLAM researchers in South Korea. What this does for robots, for drones, for stationary cameras, for security, is enables you to see everything in real time, make decisions in real time. It's all done on the edge, no heavy computing needed. So what that means is faster decisions for your machines, better image quality. So basically, we do use LiDAR, but we're moving away from it because it's cheaper, no moving parts, faster. What we've decided to do with this, now we do use this technology in our own drones. This is an Omega with VSLAM or XI integrated into it. Omega is open modular environment for general autonomy. What that means is you can put whatever kind of payload sensor package you want on this. But here we're showing it with XI mounted in here. Over here is the stationary camera. So as you can see here, highest resolution, highest degree in terms of field of view, no stitching. What that means is to do the stitching, more compute power, lower image quality. So we're very excited about this. We're now enabling other drone companies, to robot companies, to security, wearables, all of that stuff. So we're enabling them to put our autonomy into their system. So that's, we've been meeting a lot of people like, this is not locked to our platform. This is something we're making available.